As soon as you pick it up, it's going to turn itself on. You put it back down, it shuts itself off. Are you a professional stylist that spends hours in the salon blow drying the hair? At the end of the day, your shoulders are sore, your elbow and joints are sore, or maybe you're an older stylist that has been doing this a long time, and every little bit of weight is going to affect your shoulders and your joints. Or are you a customer that has long hair that spends a lot of time blow drying the hair, but would love to have a professional type dryer that will blow dry the hair, leaving it less frizzy and blow dries it very quickly so that you can get to work as quick as possible? Keep watching, because I think I have the answer for you. If you don't already know, we've been selling the Gama IQ PERFETTO dryers for the last few years. It has been the most successful dryer that I've ever sold. We just got in the new IQ3. So this is the third iteration of this dryer. If you've used the previous versions, more than likely you were thrilled with them. You just love this dryer. And I will tell you, most stylists cannot do without these dryers. It allows them to do their job without being sore. And it makes blow drying much more enjoyable. This video is going to be about me doing an unboxing. Let me know what you think. Be sure to watch through the end. The new Gama IQ3 dryer. This is what's in the box. Instruction manual, extra filters, diffuser, wide concentrator nozzle, smaller concentrator nozzle, volumizing diffuser, protective plastic that needs to be removed. This is what the dryer looks like after the plastic is removed. It has a very long 9-foot cord, as you can see. This is a clean filter, as you can tell. If you can see through it, it is clean. So the center button is lock. So if you want to change your settings, you got to move it all the way up. So that's full power, full airflow, and full heat. This is very, very quiet. It's got a really cold pull shot button. Underneath this, you will find your smart mat. There's also a handy little ring that you can attach to the dryer to hang on a hook. Also have a nice little brush that you should use to clean the screen. You'll get a handy little cloth to polish the dryer and keep it clean. And then here's your smart mat. Oh, that's a pretty heavy duty mat. It's heavier than I thought. So to use the smart mat, you're gonna flip the switch all the way up, adjust the controls the way you want them, and as you can see, the lights are flashing. That's because it's telling you that it's in on position, and as soon as you pick it up, it's gonna turn itself on. You put it back down, it shuts itself off. Pretty simple, but really cool at the same time. And I think it'll be handy. To use the automatic cleaning function, you are going to turn it on for a few seconds, turn it off, and then see where this little indicator is. You're just going to hold that bottom rocker down until it turns on. So now it's blowing through like normal through the front. Now it just went in reverse. So it's going to blow out the back end for about 15 seconds. And then it will shut off on its own. You want to do this cleaning daily to make sure that there's no lint that gets inside the dryer. So that's just another safety feature that they have with this dryer. Ideally, you want to take the back off and probably the filter when you do this. I'm going to try to video this and show you how the attachments work. Hopefully you can see this clearly. But here's the big diffuser. You just put it in there and it snaps. So there's no way it's going to come off now. It's on there really, really good. So let's just see. And this, I'll tell you, that's on high flow and it's not blowing that much. So it's really going to be great for curls. And then you want to get that really nice diffused heat. And one other thing is they've made the edges here heat resistant so that when you want to get that off, which is a little hard. All right, now we're going to do the wide diffuser. It just goes on the same way. And these turn also. And then you also have a more narrow concentrator nozzle. There you go. And then this is your star diffuser. This is for creating more volume in here. So you just turn that on. And it's blowing more air than the other diffuser, but this one is kind of like blowing it out, not so much on the center. And this is going to be really good for creating more volumized effects. All in all, I think this is an excellent version of this dryer. If you like what you saw in the video, then I would highly suggest you order it. Now, one thing I want to tell you, it does have a 1-year in-house warranty. And if you're a stylist or one of my customers that are buying it, I can take care of it in-house. And if you have a problem, just give me a call and I will come check it out to see if it's within the warranty. One other thing to know is that even though these dryers are amazing, we do not accept returns for any reason, even if you don't like it. But I will tell you, the chance of you not liking this dryer is probably next to nil because it is the best-selling dryer ever, and I think it's now the stylist choice for professional drying. If it works great for a stylist, for a customer, it's going to be even more amazing because it's going to last you a long time as long as you take care of it. And that's the other thing I would suggest is, even though it has a lot of these features to help keep the dryer running smoothly and running for a long period of time, you must treat it like it's an iPhone. You know, iPhones are very delicate. They're high technology. And they're made durable, but you know as well as I do, if you drop it, you know, dropping your phone is not the best thing for it. And if it hits just right, it can totally ruin your phone. Same thing for the dryer. These dryers are super lightweight, but they're not built like a tank. So you have to keep that in mind. Place your order as soon as possible. These dryers are selling like crazy. Watch this next video and learn more about this dryer directly from the manufacturer. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already done so. And please share this video and like the video. It just helps me get more views on YouTube. And I greatly appreciate you watching and taking the time to check this out.